Today we're gonna see if we can take some running shoes on ice and improve the traction with a $2 solution. I have an old pair of running shoes. We'll see if these are any better than the boots. No. Very slippery, very dangerous. We're doing two types of shoes, boots and running shoes. I literally just came inside. We'll see how fast this is, and if this works, that's gonna be awesome. For both, we're gonna use number 8 3/8 inch screws, hex washer, head slotted. And I've got some washers here in case clearance is gonna be an issue. This is about a centimeter or 3/8 of an inch. So you wanna make sure you check your sole before you do anything like this. And that's not gonna be a problem. This cost me around $2 with tax, and this cost probably another $1 or so. $2, you can do an entire pair of shoes if you have 12 pieces, because I'm gonna put 6 of these on both the shoe and the boot. I used a number 8 3/8 inch. You could probably go 1/2 inch, but I wanted to make sure I didn't have any issues penetrating through the sole of the shoe into the shoe, because that would be spiky. For the running shoe, which has a more narrower profile, it's fine. I used this pattern, which is similar to the patterns of the ice cleats that I have. If you're interested in that video, I'll post a link up there and down below. They go in pretty easy, but if for some reason you're having problems penetrating the sole, you have an awl, and you can just make a little starter hole. This is a 1/4 inch socket. Go in pretty easy. Just press down until it's firm, and there you go. If you want to take them out, you just reverse it, and it's going to leave a little hole, but not much. Now we got the running shoes outside. In the short period of time it took to put the screws in, it started sewing. But I feel really good. Yeah, I can't slide like it was before. Up a slope, down a slope. Up a slope, down a slope. Backwards on the slope, backwards on the slope. Unbelievable how well these work. If you wanted more grip, you could add more screws. I've only had 2 packs of 12. If you went with number 10 screws, the bolt head would be a little bigger. You get a little more grip, but with the number 8s, they work great. Don't wear these inside unless it's carpeting, because the same things that are gripping the ice and snow will be scratching your wood floor, vinyl floor, your linoleum, and your ceramic floor. So be careful inside. And even though I'm confident running around on my ice shoes, for safety reasons, it's always good to have poles, just in case you slip or lose your balance. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of sports gear, honest reviews, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props, check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what sports crazy connections you're gonna see.